With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Two spherical flasks having total volume V0 is equal to 1 liter. So containing air are connected by a tube diameter 6 millimeter. The question is talking about this tube whose diameter is 6 millimeter and length lambda is equal to 1 meter. Its length is 1 meter. So we can write here length is equal to 1 meter from this. After this, a small droplet of mercury contained in the tube is at its middle. This is part is of mercury at 0 degrees Celsius. By what distance do the mercury droplets move if the flask 1 is heated by 2 degrees Celsius with flask 2 cooled by 2 degrees Celsius? Ignore any expansion of the flask wall. Okay, so at the first let N1 is equal to number of moles in vessel 1 and number of moles in vessel 1 and N2 number of moles in vessel 2. So these are two conditions. And one more thing, let P1 is the initial pressure in both vessel, and P2 is final pressure. P2 is final pressure in both vessel. So these are the conditions we must have known. So after this, as we know that initially if we talk about initially volume of vessel 1 is equal to volume of vessel 2. So we can write it as V1 is equal to V2, and by the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT, we can write V is equal to nRT divided by pressure. So what about V1? V1 is equal to N1 RT naught divided by P1 is equal to, what about V2? N2 RT naught divided by P1. So P1 and P1 cancel out, RT naught are cancel out. So we can conclude that N1 is equal to N2 from this equation. Okay, now after this all we can write finally this condition is at initial, this condition is at final. V1 is equal to N1 RT1 divided by P2. Okay, and what about V2? V2 will be N2 RT2 divided by P2. Sorry, my mistake. This is P1. Okay, now after this all we can write this equation. V2 is equal to such as N1 R divided by P2 into T2. So just because of N1 is equal to N2, so put N1 in this equation at the place of N2, so we can write it as N1 R P2 into T2. Now after this all V1 upon V2, if we solve this equation, V1 upon V2 is equal to T1 upon T2. We are talking about this equation and this equation, V1 and V2. So divide this V1 by this V2. So we get T1 upon T2, because N1 R and P1, N1 R and P are cancel out. So V1 upon V2 is equal to T1 upon T2. That is 275 divided by 271. And one more thing, air is in the tube of length 1 meter and some diameter, and mercury is placed at here. So we have to add this area also. So we can write it as V1 plus V2, that is V1 or V0, that is V0 plus lambda A. After that, displacement, if we talk about the displacement of mercury droplet, displacement of mercury Hg droplet, mercury droplets. So what is this? Delta L is equal to V1 minus V2 divided by A. So put the value of these all V1, V2 and A. So we get 4 upon 546 into V0 plus lambda A divided by A. So if we solve this equation, put the value of V0 lambda A, that's all. So we can find the answer 0.26 meter. So this is our final answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.